Is it filming now? All right, let's kind of walk through this thing, man. Let me see what we got here. I did see a lot of things, man. You can see everywhere you see red paint, it's a problem. This is a problem when I tell these plumbers don't come here too early. See, they have to move these right here out the way to get their stuff in and all that kind of stuff. But this right here beam carries a load, so this right here don't need to be in the way. But this right here carries a load. I mean, we can, they need to shove this over a little bit more so we can get that fixed. So I can see that. If you see anything, man, you let me know. All right. I've already been through here, guys. So we already saw the straps and stuff. I think I already kind of got all these right here. Then I got those little things. Let me show you something else here too, man. So I'm gonna put a door right here, so all the lawn equipment and stuff right here can go in here. But then get this picture up in here, man. See that red right up there? We're gonna put those hangers up in there. You see up in there where the red is? Yeah, so we're gonna put some hangers up in there. And then we're gonna take advantage of this. So this right here, we have the area up under the steps too that we could use as well. Oh man, it's really good and hot, man. Come on. Oh boy. Here's something else here, man. So there's a beam, there's a 4-ply beam that carries a load right up here. You see this load right here? We need more lumber right up in here, guys. You see that beam right there? We need about one beam right here. We need another 2x4 and another 2x4 right here. Maybe two more. Huh? Anchor bolt. It needs to be within a foot of the corner. All right. Of course, we need another beam right here. Here's something else too. Let me show you something else too, man, that I forgot. Of course, we got that going on. Let's go right up in here, man. So, guys, this right here, this is a chimney. Come up. You gotta get closer, man. This right here is this chimney right here. This is a chimney for the outside. So this is a real wood burning fireplace. So we need to have on this side right here. So we need to get up in here and put sheetrock, not sheetrock, I'm sorry. We need to put some kind of OSB as a fire block right here. And sheetrock can serve as a fire block right here. So this needs to have a fire rating of about 1 hour. Because if this right here, if you got a fire here, you don't want this fire to burn through this right here and come right in on me. Does that make sense? So I put that in here. And plus, this wall right here, you see this 4-ply beam right here? Come over here. Right here, this beam right here. That man got a bird nest up there too. Boy, I tell you what, I hope ain't no baby birds in there. But right here, we got a 4-ply beam, so we need about, we need about 2 more studs right here. You see? Carrying that weight. Like these things right here, the rat seals and stuff, this stuff needs to be removed. Get a look at that top up there, man. See how that top looks good, man. That's a full tray ceiling. Come on around here, man. I didn't see anything here other than this right here that whole wall needs to go away right there. A couple of my rat seals need, like right there, the rat seal needs to be taken away. They didn't clip it all the way. That needs to go. Trying to figure out why I painted that red. All right, so we're like right here, we need another stud right here. So what's happening is right here, you see this right here? Those three three joists right there together, they carry a wall up there. They actually brace up that part of the gable. So you got to make sure you got that weight dropping down. So that's why I got another, like this right here, I got another stud right here to carry that load all the way to the ground. You see? Come on. Of course, right here, right up here, man. You got a couple of them need to get done right up there. Look here. All those right there need hangers. We'll figure that one out. I was talking to Mike. Mike know what I'm talking about. I was talking to Mike, and I got to check to make sure that we can use a ledger strip for that. Because if we can use a ledger strip, we got to figure it out, man. We just run a piece of molding to cover it up. That'll save that because I don't think we can take those out there and hammer nails up in there as of now. I don't know. We need another stud right here. Come on. All the good stuff happening up here though, buddy. Everything stack up pretty good here, man. I might find something. So, all right, so we got it cleaned up here. I can see what happens everywhere. Let me say this right here, man. This guy right here. Why you get so far back? I don't want to get my whole body. I just want to get, this guy right here for stereo. I had to give him some props, man. The plans that they have, man, you can almost make use of every piece of space in their houses, man, because of the way they do their roof line. And I'll show you in just a second, guys. So what we're going to do here, this is a bedroom right here. I'm going to put a door right here, and we're going to put knee walls right here. So we're going to make use of this right here space. That could be a media room or something. Does that make sense? Now, you also have to have access. So I put the little blue marks where my guys, you always have to be able to access the knee wall space. Just up under that's in the knee wall. You have to be able to access that. So I got access doors. And you can put storage in there. So this right here is a bathroom, I think. Yeah, this is a bathroom. And this right here, guys, if it wasn't for this, the guys missed the door. There's a door to go right here. Because this right here is a Jack and Jill. So there's a door that goes right here. There's a sliding door that goes right here. All right, so this right here, guys, is a good thing we had this laundry room right here, man. Now, I'm going to provide the washer and dryer upstairs and downstairs. Washer and dryer costs about $2,000 for this right here house. And so that's $4,000 for both of them. But it's going to be a heat pump washer and dryer, okay? Which means that you don't have to have them vented. We don't have to vent these washers and dryers. Does that make sense? Because it's a heat pump. But the washer and dryer actually went right here, but I switched it over here. I put it over on this side. You got it? You got me over here? Then I'm going to put a door right here. And I'm going to put Mike McLeod got on me about this right here too, guys. He said, for the novice, if you're just learning, if I just say unit, that's not good enough. This is my furnace is going to go right here. Okay, my HVAC furnace. And so it'll go right here. We also need to block that wall in over there. I spray painted it red over there. So that needs to be a wall. And then on the back side of that wall, we need to have sheeting material, like OSB. It needs to be on the back side of that whole wall right there. You can kind of come in, you can kind of see where I got it right here. So I got that there. Then this right here, same thing, man. This right here I don't know how in the hell they're going to do this right here, but this needs to be fire block. It needs to have sheathing. Well, you can start up at the top and work your way down. But you got to have sheeting material here and sheeting material here. We need to have a full fire block right there, for this right here shoot. You see what I'm saying? And see, you need to have sheeting material behind here. I don't know why they left it. And then I messed up the windows, man. This is a double window, but it's like two separate windows. I messed that up right here, man. So we have to figure that out. I know why they didn't put it here. They don't know the size of the window. The windows, I already got the windows here. So sheeting material right there. So I got that. Guys, if you look right up here, this wall right here should carry a load. I think this is a load. This is a load bearing wall. But I do definitely know that. Come on through here, man. Yeah, this right here is carrying the load. That's why we got that load is coming all the way from here, jumping all the way across. It's spanning all the way across here. But that load right there is used to brace this roof up, guys. You see how we got it braced up there? Well, for those rafters. And then this right here load, you come look at this right here. You can see where Well, this wall right here. So this wall right here, along with, you see this double joist right here? A double joist, and right behind you, we got a double joist right here. This is where we're bracing. We're bracing our roof. Okay? We're bracing our roof about a third of the, we actually doing it in the middle. If you look up here and you see the braces, you got the braces up here? Are you getting that up there? Yeah. Yeah, you can see where we're bracing it up almost in the middle span of those rafters. And now we also missing, I put this on the floor right here. Let me show you this right here. So we're gonna put a door right here too. This is another additional room. So this could be a workout room. Ain't that beautiful, man? So you got an additional room right here, but I'm gonna put a door right here, and you can access the mechanical room that handles this side of the house. Does that make sense? And I put here, if you look up, we're missing collar ties. Thanks, Mike. We're missing collar ties. We got collar ties on that end, but on this end, our collar ties are missing. Collar ties on your rafters need to be every 4 feet, is what the code says. Then right here, I'm gonna put an access right here so we can access this attic area right here. So this is a lot of space, man. Also, come on through here. Oh, did I tell you about them? I gotta put a access door above here, attic access up above here. So I gotta put an attic access. So I'm making, and guys, I'm looking at everything else, man. Man, these guys actually braced this roof up damn good. Oh, we missing something right there. Come here. Right there. You see right there? Right there? That needs to be braced. You see it? You see right there with those two valley, those valley jacks are coming together right there to that ridge beam right there? Yeah. That needs to be braced. And they need to take that brace and run to this right here load. Well, that's gonna be less than 45 degrees. So the only way you can do it is to brace it on this right here strong back. You can brace it on that strong back right there. So that needs to be done. And then I need some collar ties up there on these guys up there. So I'm gonna write a B on the floor to remind me that I gotta put some color. But that's what you're looking at, guys. I gotta have an access in here too, guys. But if I can get in here, if you can get in here, you can get in here. You see? So that'd be okay. All right. What you got? You understand everything? You sure? Yeah. All right, man.